What's going on, everybody? It's Dalton with Family Tradition Garage. My wife is holding the camera right now. So we are headed to Judsonia, to Elvis's hot rod shop. He's doing a big cool cruise in today. So we're gonna go to the gas station because the OBS, the ultimate daily driver, needs gas really bad. And I need an energy drink. Then we're gonna go meet my parents, ride up there with them. I think we might be meeting Pam and Wayne. They might be in their Jimmy, I don't know. So there's some bad storms rolling in, so we're hoping we can get up there, you know, see everybody, hang out, and then get back quick before all the storms hit. That's what we're hoping for. So, on to the gas station.
We're here getting gas.
Chevy at Maverick. Use the throw points on more entries via the Maverick app or Maverick.com. I just tried the buffalo chicken burrito from Maverick.
Bro, calm down. You're loud. We'll come and go. Hey, ma'am. I like your shirt.
Here's the pump.
It done. $42.
All right, what are you getting in here?
I don't know. That's why I needed to come in with you.
Probably
because
a-
I needed to look.
Probably a watermelon Alani.
No.
We got this good stuff. And hey, come to find out that Come and Go is no longer Come and Go. It's Maverick. So, Come and Go is no more.
I'm opening the truck.
Jeez. No patience.
We have just left Come and Go, aka Maverick now, because they've changed the names. So, no more Come and Go. But I got a peach Alani because they were buy one get one, and then you got a drink. So we are headed to go meet my parents. They are not driving the 72 C10 up. They are driving Papa, the cat eye, because Dad is scared of the rain and the hail and stuff that could possibly come. But we're gonna be home back in time. So, but anyway, let the road trip continue. All right, I have been proven wrong. It is out. He is gonna risk it for the biscuit. So, the truck is out. It is out. She doesn't want to be. Look at Dad's wearing some unreleased gear today. The Fueled by Tradition wrench banner shirt. Mom's got her ride or die on. And then we got ours. I don't think I've really shown mine yet. We've got, it's long sleeve, but it's the all squared up. I can't really show the front. You gotta hold it, yeah, with the back. Yeah. Look there. Oh, all squared up. There we go. All right, he's ready to go. So let's go. Hey everybody, all right, so this right here is the man, the myth, the legend, Elvis. And he is here in the building. How many times have you heard that before in your life?
A couple.
A couple. But this is his hot rod shop. Elvis, how long have you been here?
I've been on this location right here 11 years.
11 years, and you pretty much do anything and everything. Trucks, hot rods.
Yep, we do full-on restorations, rotisserie builds, LS swaps. If you just want just to put vintage air in it, we got you. If you want to do an all-new American Auto Wire body harness, we can hook you up. Not a problem.
There you go. Elvis is your man if you're in Central Arkansas or you're out of state. Because I did see you got a little 55 over
Yes,
here.
sir. We got one from Tennessee over there that we're going to do a full-on restoration in the shop. We've got a 59 Apache that belongs to a man out of California that we're working on.
Well, all the way from California here in Central Arkansas. But Elvis, this little show you're doing, this is the second year.
Yes, sir.
You're doing it. It is an awesome, awesome location. As you can see, his lovely shop, kind of the front looks like an old gas station. It's cool. It's different. It's a great time. Elvis, we thank you so much for inviting us.
Absolutely.
It is a great time.
And next year, hopefully you do it again, and people see this and they come out, hang out with us.
Yes.
I do hear an ice cream machine over there.
Ice cream machine, come on out. I mean, today is free ice cream.
Free
So,
ice cream.
Come on.
I'm definitely getting me some
That's
ice
right. And you got to beat me over there.
cream. There you go.
are headed out. The storm is almost here. It is almost upon us. It is too close for comfort. So we are.
It was a taco truck there.
That was a taco truck, and now I might need to turn around. But anyway, we are headed home. So there was a lot of good cars there, a lot of fun time meeting some friends, seeing them, talking to Elvis, seeing his shop. It was super cool. There was some cars still rolling in whenever we were leaving. So, but it was a good show. Good little hangout session with some friends. I'm glad y'all enjoyed the video. Well, hope y'all enjoyed the video, honestly. But so next couple videos, we're back in the shop working on projects. We've got some work to do on the OBS. We've got another little fun side project, a little trike that we're building. It's gonna be kind of cool. It's a little fun, little beep beep. Cruise around at car shows on. But anyway, so we hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all want to support our channel, go to shopftggear.com. We are wearing some of the new merch that is coming out very soon. Maybe it'll be out when this video is posted. I don't know. If I get off my butt and do it, that'll be the biggest decision.
It needs to.
Okay, there you go. But anyway, so shopftggear.com. That is how you can support the channel. We've got shirts, possibly hoodies, sweatshirts, long sleeve shirts, hats, stickers, koozies, all of the fun stuff. Why is my dad stopping? It's a green light.
He's turning.
Oh, yeah, he's turning. Okay.
Oh my God. We just cut a car off.
We did. But anyway, go to shopftggear.com. That helps support the channel and all the builds and all the fun stuff we do to make awesome content for you. So, check us out there, and, we'll see you on the next video.